September is here, and with it comes a fresh wave of updates from Samsung that many users have been eagerly awaiting. But here's where it gets interesting. While Google has already rolled out its major quarterly update along with the Pixel feature drop, Samsung is now catching up by delivering new software improvements to its still-supported devices. This means if you own a Samsung phone or smartwatch, there's a good chance an update is headed your way soon. Let's dive into the details. The Galaxy S23 series is among the first to receive these September updates. However, don't be surprised if more Samsung devices join the list in the coming days, as the company typically staggers its rollouts. For now, the update for the S23 lineup primarily consists of the September security patch, which is crucial for keeping your device safe from the latest vulnerabilities. But it doesn't include any major new features or changes. Here are the specific build numbers for the Galaxy S23 models receiving the update. Galaxy S23, S911 USQS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 Plus, S916 USQS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 Ultra, S918 USQS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 FE, S711 USQS6DYH2. In addition to phones, Samsung's popular Galaxy Watch 6 series has also been updated at the start of the month. These updates help improve performance, security, and sometimes add minor enhancements to the smartwatch experience. The new build numbers for the Galaxy Watch 6 models are Galaxy Watch 6 40mm, R935 USQS1BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6 44mm, R945 USQS1BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 43mm, R955 USQS1BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm, R965 USQS1BYH1. If you're wondering how to check if the update is available for your device, it's quite simple. Just go to Settings, then System Updates, and tap on Check for System Updates. But here's the part most people miss. While these updates might seem routine, they play a vital role in maintaining your device's security and stability. Skipping them can leave your phone or watch vulnerable to security threats or bugs that have already been fixed. So, even if there's no flashy new feature, it's always a good idea to keep your device up to date. What do you think about Samsung's approach to these monthly updates? Are you satisfied with just security patches, or do you expect more feature additions with each release? Some users argue that Samsung should bundle more exciting improvements regularly, while others appreciate the steady focus on security and reliability. Share your thoughts below. Do you agree with Samsung's update strategy, or do you believe they should shake things up more often?